Everyone, this is yours truly, Starrich, and I got a special unboxing gift for you. Let's see if I can grab it. Let's see if I can slide it down. Oh yeah. This is what we're looking for. It just came in just today. Oh yeah, everywhere that you see. Yeah. This is gonna be exciting. I wonder what's in it. Alright. Took me a little time. But then we got it. Got this. Ah, shit. Alright, see if I can see if I can cut this thing. Sorry. Tiger claws, come on. Yeah. There you go. Wait, I don't think that's the right claws. Nope. Oh no. I think I cut it. Wait, I think I cut the line. Okay. Here we go. We cut the line. Cut the line. There we go. Oh yeah, mission a success. Oh, I see some kanji. Or whatever it is. So hard to. Come on. Okay, let me just. Okay, let me just open this up and then turn off the other side. See if that works. There we go. Yeah, look at that. It's the kanji side. There's the Quanba. Beautiful, beautiful. I see the Quanba. Alright, let me just let me grab these keys. Yeah. This thing is. Don't worry, it's definitely harmless. Just. Hello, beautiful. Oh, yeah. This thing is nice. Very nice. This thing's nice and beautiful. Oh, yeah. Check inside and see what we got. See, it's the Obsidian. I think how you call it. Obsidian. Yeah. That's what it is. USB pack. Official licensed by Quanba, Sony itself. Let's see here. Compatible with the PS3 and the PS4. Perfect. Alright, let's see what we got in the back. Well, a lot of specs right there. Can't really tell exactly, especially if their address. If we have any problems. Yeah, whatever. Okay. See what we got here. The stainless stick, light mod, headphone jack. Yes, I'm definitely using that. All of them specs right here. All right, let's open this shit up. All right. Let's see. Where's the? Aha! Gotcha. Time to open this sucker up. Hey! Look at that. Let's see here. It's the instruction manual. Not too bad. We don't need that. And of course, the protection. Of course, you always want to play with these whenever you want. Let's see. Oh boy. I don't think I can actually take it out with one hand. Let's see. Oh, very careful. This thing's just like a baby. There we go. Hold the box on the side. wrapped around with styrofoams. And I don't think I can take this off, or can I? Oh yeah, I can take this off. Ah, there we go. Yeah. And then here, there we go. And then we're just gonna have to unwrap this, which is simply easy. Side, side. Come on. There we go. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my word. I don't know if this is gonna fit in my backpack. Okay, we got this big sucker in my desk, which is pretty damn small. But in case you noticed it too, I'm actually lifting my phone up. They're actually just recording this. So as you can see here, this clicking is very good, very good. I like it, really liking it. And these buttons too, look so awesome. Love it. Very good. And I also like these features too. Yes, I finally got his own PS button, shared turbo mode, LT3, who cares? Option LED. See how pressed it there. Ooh, I like that. Hey, you even can switch it up to PS4 and PS3 PC, which I'm definitely gonna like. Oh yeah. And also got itself a lock, which means I don't have to like press anything else, and I can just like flip like that, and everything. These features are gonna be locked. So that's a perfect thing. Set this to PS4. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, and then from here, if I can lift this thing up, it's the touchpad. Hold on, give me a second. Right here, it's the touchpad, which you can just lightly press it. Press it so it's like hard and it may actually broke. So lightly tap that. It's a touch button. Their logo indeed, and this is the wire glove department, where you can actually check and see. Yeah, there we go. This is what I should have done. Touchpad, logo, and wire glove department. You just open this. Gotta be really fragile with this, so unless you have to pinch it a little bit. I heard some things about this wire, this department, that you had to be it's about like that. There we go. And these are all the wires. Nice and wrapped. Ready to go. Easy, right? Let's not talk about that. Alright. Put you back in. Nice and good. If I can. Unless it's something is tight. Hopefully not. Okay. This is going to be a little problem. If I can just adjust this a little. Can put this in. I hope so. Oh boy. Let's see. Punch this in. Wires and stuff. Alright. Let's do it. Should do it. There we go. Much better. And then we just look at the back right here. Posted the information from here. And I'm not sure what the hell that is, but that's the pad and stuff. And yeah. This is the Quanba. Obsidian. I think that's what it's called. I think I'm gonna actually give this thing a try out on some games. So let's check them out. So we're gonna go ahead and actually try out this on Tekken 7. And I noticed too that the movement of this stick is actually kind of like a little loose, but overall, like the response of the movements are actually pretty good. Yeah. It's pretty good. Let's try some combos. I like it how they actually make the buttons are so responsive. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. I'm actually surprised about it. Yeah, this is pretty good. I like it. I like it. But you get the deal. Oos. Yeah, this is pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's try some other games. This game right here, I actually enjoy because it's 2D.5 and yeah, it's actually pretty awesome. So it's actually called Blade Stangers, in case if anybody actually are interested in playing it. Let's see. There actually is a sale going on for this game on the PC, and it's actually going on like I'd say about $25 to get it. So get it while it's hot, you know. But the sale actually goes off on the 3rd, so just keep it in mind. Let's try Shovel Knight. You know, I love his games. If I remember right, there was something I wanted to. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Let me press mode. See if that works. Ah, there we go. So I guess certain games you would need to press mode just once to actually go an actual 8-way, because if you just don't press the mode, it would take you could just move like 4-way instead. The 8-way for sure definitely can jump just from there. Yeah. Let's see what I got. Let's see. Maybe if I put it in the corner. Okay. Ah, damn it. I almost got it. Oh, okay, that was, nope. Let's see, try it again. Oh, almost got it. It's like one of the combos. Let's see. This is like a huge ass combo I've ever played from this. Wow! If I had to do like another spike on that. Alright, and then it was super. What am I thinking? Nope, that didn't work. Oh, that was super after that. That was it. Oh no, I missed that super. There we go. I'm sure you know the rest. Let's see. Let me try the other character. Wait. I think I remember something. Yeah. It's a little something. Let's see. Let's see. Let me try out this guy. See if I summon her. No. I think it was I might as well just spend all of it. Why not? Ooh. Funny thing is, this actually connects with a combo. If I could do it just right. Yeah. That works like full screen, for sure. Ooh. Massive damage. I heard they say, you know, you could actually, I heard they say you actually can expand your combos more, but, who knows. So, countless at times I actually, played this and such. It's amazing. It's amazing technology. I enjoyed it. I don't know what else to say. What it's worth is actually worth a lot for me. So, it was a great price. I actually got it for like, I think it was $200, I think. This gizmo is pretty amazing. Pretty soon though, if I figure out how to detach this into get it custom made plate, I'll definitely add that in. Looking forward to that because it looks pretty damn awesome. Yeah, pretty soon I'll definitely do that. Also, I forgot to mention from here, you can see the LED actually light up. But I totally forgot to actually put that in the video, but yeah, obviously you would know. It's actually in the description. If you guys really want to get yourself a copy of these, or a handful, which I really like. Sorry. Yeah, in my case, I'd say I think the only thing it needs to work on is this right here, the wired department, because I don't know, I've seemed to have a little issue of actually putting it back in one piece, but overall, the joystick, the buttons, feature buttons, slides, it's perfect. And I think each one of you who are watching this video should consider getting this hands-on, owned. That's why I actually think about it. So that's pretty much going to be my unboxing and my review. You guys have any questions? Are you guys interested? You guys want to get the stick? Link is in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.